Good morning. Hello, friends. How are you? I know you are all very fine. Friends, today we are going to learn Namita Didi's timetable. You know that every person, for example, your mommy, your father, or your brother or sisters, all peoples make their own timetable for plannings. Advance every day what we do, when do, which works do, how to possible every work we do easily. So planning is important. So it's called timetable. So today we are going to learn Namita Didi's timetable. Friends, our school name is Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samanta Vidyalaya Nehru Nagar Kurla. Standard 4th, day Monday, date 2nd November 2020. Today's topic Namita Didi's timetable. What you see in this picture? Correct. This is Namita Didi. She is now wake up, means get up. And what she doing second? She brush her teeth. Namita gets up at 7 in the morning. Once again, look at this picture and listen carefully. Namita gets up means wake up at 7 in the morning and brush her teeth. Now you tell me, when you get up? Yeah, you all gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. But Namita gets up at 7 in the morning. And what she doing first? Brush her teeth. What you see in this picture? She does household work. It's called also household work. Clean the pots or making tea. Or in this picture, last one picture, what do you see? Clean the floor. Between 7 and 8, she does household work. You know that household work? These works called household. For example, clean the floors or clean the pots, make the tea. It's called household work. And goes through the newspaper means she reads newspaper. Between 8 and 8:30, she takes a shower. When she takes showers? Between 8 and 8:30. She ate her breakfast between 8:30 and 9. When she take breakfast? She ate breakfast between 8:30 and 9. Between 8 and 8:30, she takes shower. When she takes showers? Between 8 and 8:30, means take baths. And then she ate her breakfast. Between 9 and 10, when? Between 9 and 10, she attends driving class. What she doing? Attend driving class. She is learning to drive a car. You know that how to drive a car. Some people's learning more. For example, learning to drive a car. Attend some people singing class. Some people attend drawing class. In this way, she attend drive a car. When? Between 9 and 10. Between 10 and 10:30 she packs her lunch. You know that. What she doing now? Get ready, go to the work or office. Between 10 and 10:30 she packs her lunch. What do you see in this picture? She pack her lunch and get ready to go. What she doing? Get ready to go. Next one. Now she waiting bus stops. Between 10:30 and 11 she travel to her office. When she travel between 10:30 and 11 means how many hours? How many hours she want to travel? Half hours. 10:30 and 11 means half hours she travel her office. From 11 to 5 she is at work. When she at work from 11 to 5 it's called office time. She do work or she working in the office when from 11 to 5. When she return she comes home at 5:30. When she 5:30 at home in the evening and takes tea. Now then what she doing? Then she goes jogging in the park. You know that exercise is most important to our good health. So she goes jogging in the park from 6 to 7 in the evening. When she goes jogging from 6 to 7. What she doing now? Watch TV. She watches TV up to 9 o'clock. When she watch TV up to 9 o'clock. Then what she doing? Once again she does household work. What she does? Household work. For example, press her clothes. Then preparing or making chapatis, bhajis, rice, etc. Sometimes she painting. She like painting. Till 9 o'clock. When she till 9 o'clock she clothes. So she also does household work. And sometimes listen to music. She like music. What she like? Music. Now what she doing? She takes dinner at 9. When she takes dinner at 9. When you take dinners? Yeah, 8:30 to 9. But she takes dinner at 9. Then she reads books. What she doing? She reads books, story books, and goes to sleep at 11. When she goes to sleep at 11. And when you goes to sleep? Yeah, at 10. Now we see Bunty's timetable. You know that Bunty is your friend. Bunty's what doing Bunty's every day? Bunty make her his timetable. What he say? I wake up early in the morning when 7:45 a.m. means quarter to 8 a.m. 7:45 a.m. means quarter to 8 a.m. And first one, see, he wish her mummy, good morning mama. What he say? Good morning mama. What you see in this picture? When sunrise, Bunty gets up at 7:45 a.m. And first one, he say his mother, good morning mama. Do you like wish or say anyone? Then he says, my teeth are shining. What he say? My teeth are shining because I brush them daily. What does Bunty do daily? Bunty brush his teeth daily because her teeth are shining. Because his teeth are brush his teeth always, means daily. When at 7:50 to 8 a.m. when Bunty brush his teeth at 7:50 to 8 a.m. Then he goes to park to jogging. What he doing? Jogging means exercise daily. Bunty says I exercise daily. When at 8:15 a.m. I take bath every day at 8:45 a.m. When at 8:45 a.m. I am active. What Bunty says? I am active. Why? Because I go to school every day. Do you like school? Yeah, very good. When Bunty goes to school? At 9:30 a.m. When? At 9:30 a.m. I have my lunch early. When he take lunch? 12 o'clock or noon. When Bunty take lunch? At 12 o'clock. I finish my lessons before playtime. What he say? I finish my lesson before playtime. Means when Bunty come to school at home return 3 p.m. When Bunty returns home at 3 p.m. Then first one he get ready fresh and then finish his lesson before playtime. Means when we go to play, he says I play with my friends 5:30 p.m. When 5 means 3 to 5:30 he Bunty finish his homework and then go to play with his friend. Which games Bunty like? Cricket and also spinning top. Which is spinning top. Very good. When Bunty goes to play? At 5:30 p.m. in the evening. When? In the evening. Then when he return, he once again get ready or take bath and next he help his mother. What he say? I help my mother always. When? At 6:30 o'clock in the evening. When? At 6:30 o'clock in the evening. I have my dinner early. When he take dinner? At 8:30 p.m. When? At 8:30 p.m. Then I watch TV at night 9 p.m. When? 9 p.m. to 10 and Bunty goes to bed early. When? At 10 p.m. When Bunty goes to bed, he say, I go to bed means Bunty go to bed early at 10 p.m. This is Bunty's good habits. Do you like? Very good. Thanks.